Just got back from our Manning Park 4-day backpacking backcountry trip, and I'm a little worse for wear. Icing a few knees and feet are blistered up. Backpacks are all emptied, and the laundry's on, and we are resting, showering. And I'm sitting here wondering if you've listened to my latest single that just came out on Friday that I wasn't able to tell you about because I was in the backcountry. Go listen to it.
Faith is rising with morning sunlight as flowers awaken, sweet surprise.